Hello students, good morning one and all. Welcome to mathematics session from our channel Smart Study. In previous class, we learnt about long division method of polynomials. Today we are here to solve some examples by using long division method. Let's solve the example. Example. Find all the zeros of 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. If you know that 2 of its zeros are root 2 and minus root 2. Solution. Given polynomial p of x means given equation, this is dividend 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus, it is a polynomial, it is a dividend, and zeros they give, 2 of its 0. Actually, what is the degree of this given polynomial? Here 4. You know how to calculate the degree. This equation degree is 4. Highest power is here 4. So that's why the degree of this total equation is 4. If degree is 4, how many zeros are possible? 4. But how many they give? Out of 4 zeros, they gave 2 zeros. We have to find the other 2 zeros. That is the concept of this question. They gave out of 4 zeros, they gave 2 zeros. One is root 2 and another one is minus root 2. So 2 zeros they gave. Another 2 zeros we have to find. So here given zeros root 2 and minus root 2. We know method. First 0 is alpha and second 0 is beta. And find g of x by using these 2 zeros. You know how to find quadratic polynomial by using zeros. G of x, it is a divisor. So g of x is equals to k into x square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta. It is a formula. It is a formula of quadratic polynomial. So k as it is right, k and x square minus alpha plus beta. Alpha value root 2 and beta value minus root 2. Alpha and beta value substitute in this equation. Root 2 minus root 2 into x plus and alpha value root 2, beta value minus root 2. Next step, x into x square minus plus root 2 minus root. One is positive, one is negative. We should subtract. So plus root 2 minus root 2. Cancellation compulsory. One positive, one negative. We should cancel. Means same values. Plus root 2 minus root 2. Cancel. If you cancel, so plus root 2 minus root 2 value is 0. 0 into anything 0. And next it is product relation. Root 2 into minus root 2. First multiply the symbols. Plus into minus minus. Root 2 into root 2 whole square. Square and root cancellation possible. So cancelled. So root 2 and square and root cancelled. 2 is remaining. So minus 2 right here. So the equation is k into x square minus 0 minus 2. Here denominator place any value not there. Any value not there, time take k value as 1. So let assume k is equals to 1. Means let take k is equals to 1. If you substitute k value in above equation, 1 into x square minus 2. 1 into anything same. So 1 into x square 1 into 2, 2. So g of x, it is a divisor. It is dividend. P of x is a dividend and g of x is divisor. Why? Why only p of x is dividend and g of x is divisor? Why? Because always it depends on degree. Which polynomial degree is more, that we select as dividend. which polynomial degree is less, that polynomial we have to select as divisor. Here this polynomial degree is 4, that's why it is high, 4. This polynomial degree is 2. So that's why 4 is highest value and 2 is a small value compared with the 4. So that's why it is dividend, it is divisor. So P of x is dividend, G of x is divisor. It depends on degree. And if we use, instead of polynomial formula, if we use general method, same answer you will get. It is a general, any method you apply for finding G of x. This method or alternate general method also you can use to find G of x. So general method, G of x. Here general method, any method you use to find G of x. Don't use both the methods at a time. Learn both the methods, but any method, any one method you select and practice perfectly. General method, G of x is equal, here zeros they give plus root 2 minus root 2. Plus given time, factor, change as a factor. If they give plus, factor is minus, means x minus root 2 is a factor of this. And minus given time plus means reverse. If they give plus, you have to take minus, x minus root 2. If they give minus, you have to take as a plus, x plus root 2. You know how to convert zeros as factor, you know already. So x minus plus root 2 given, that's why x minus root 2. Here minus root 2 they give, that's why x plus root 2. It is identity formula, third identity, a minus b. It is in the form of a minus b into a plus b. A minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square. So that's why here a square means x square minus b square means root 2 whole square. Square root cancel. So root 2 and root cancel. What is the remaining? X square minus root. So g of x is equals to x square minus 2. So any method you use to find g of x. And P of x is equals to 2x to the power of 4 minus 3x cube minus 3x square plus 6x minus 2. It is given polynomial. And divisor g of x is equals to x square minus 2. G of x is equals to x square, x term not there, that's why take x plus 0x and constant term is minus 2. Therefore, g of x divisor g of x is equals to x square plus 0x minus 2. And x square plus 0x minus 2 is divisor and this given polynomial is dividend. And let's solve this division. We know how to solve. Step 1. Dividend first term by divisor first term. So 2x to the power of 4 by x square. 2 into x, you know how to solve it. So x here x cancel and remaining 2 into x, x square into 2, 2x square. This answer into total divisor, 2x square into this total. Send inside 2x square, send inside of the bracket, 2x square into x square, 2x square into 0x, 2x square into minus 2. 2x square into x square, 2x to the power of 4. 2x square into 0x, 0. 0 into anything, 0. And x square into x, x cube. And next 2 2s are 4. And x square, only x square term, x square. Plus into minus, minus. So this answer exact right here. X to the power of 4 term down, x to the power of 4, x cube term down, x cube term. And x square term down, x square term compulsory, right, like this. So here plus, it is subtraction. So change the symbols of this polynomial, this. So that's why plus change it into minus, plus change it into minus, minus change it into plus. Plus 2x to the power of 4 minus 2x to the power of 4 cancel. And next step, minus 3x cube minus 0x cube. So 0, that's why no value as it is, minus the remaining is minus 3x cube minus 3x cube. And next here 1 minus 1 plus means 1 negative 1 positive. So we should subtract. Plus 4 minus 3 equals to 1. If you get 1 as an answer, no need to write here. So that's why 4x square minus 3x square is equals to x square. Bring down 6x. Next step, it is second step. Second step, first term by divisor first term. Here first term, second step first term minus 3x cube. Minus 3x cube by x square. Minus 3 into x cube means x into x into x. And x square, x into x. So cancel x terms. And what are the remaining? Minus 3 into x. Minus 3 into x, minus 3x. So that minus 3x into total divisor. Minus 3x into x square, minus 3x into 0x, minus 3x into minus 2. Minus into plus, minus 3. Here any number another means 1, 3, 1s are 3. X into x square, x cube. And 0 into anything, 0. And minus into minus, plus 3 2s are 6. 6x. Same answer, repeat here. So 3x cube minus 3x cube minus 0x square plus 6x. And change the symbols of this particular equation, particular step. Means last second polynomial. Minus change it into plus, minus change it into plus, plus change it into minus. One is negative, one is positive, same value. So that's why cancel. Next, plus x square. Here 0, no value. So that's why as it is only x square term is left, x square term as it is right. Next, if you add any number to 0 or if you subtract any number to 0, same number you will get. So here x square plus 0 also x square minus 0 also x square. So that's why x square as it. If it is 0, no value. So that's why x square plus 6x minus 6x. One is positive, one is negative. Same 6x. So that's why cancellation possible. Cancel both the terms. And you will get 0x. If you write plus 0 also no problem, minus. Why? Because no symbol. It's not possible to take any symbol for 0. Plus also no problem, minus also no problem. It is neither positive nor negative. So that's why any symbol. So next bring down minus 2. Third step. Here third step first term is x square. And divisor first term is x square. X square by x square. X square means x into x. X square means x into x. Cancel. Not anything left? No. No. That's why 1. For suppose 2 by 2, 1. 3 by 3, 1. 4 by 4, 1. That's why x square by x square, 1. So 1 into total divisor. 1 into x square plus 0x minus 2. 1 into x square, x square. 0 into anything, 0. 1 into minus 2, minus 2. Same answer repeat here. So here plus x square. Change the symbols of this particular equation. Plus change it into minus, plus change it into minus, minus change into plus. So x plus x square minus x, same values. Cancellation. Cancel. Here this 0 plus minus 0, okay, cancel. Minus 2 plus 0 plus 2 also cancel. So all the terms cancelled. All the terms cancelled. So that's why remainder as 0. We got remainder as 0. Compulsory in this model you will get remainder as 0. If you get remainder as 0, your process is correct. Or rather if you get any reminder, means if you get any number as reminder, I think you done wrong. So that's why compulsory you will get remainder as 0. Next, quotient. So here we got quotient as 2x square minus 3x plus 1. So quotient is 2x square minus 3x plus 1. Other two zeros, 2x square minus 3x plus 1 is equals to 0. Means total quotient is equals to 0. We got quotient as 2x square minus 3x plus 1, that is equals to 0. Find other two zeros from the quotient. Solve this equation by using factorization method. You know factorization method. So here constant term is positive, that's why it is addition model. And rough work. X square coefficient is 2 and constant term is 1. So x square coefficient into constant term is equals to 2. First find the product. After that find the factors of this product. So product of 2 or 1 into 2. 1 2s are 2. It is addition model, that's why which symbol they gave for middle term, same symbol is possible for both the values. So minus 2x minus 1x. And 2x take as a common. Here x is remaining. Here total 2x we took outside. That's why any thing not there. That's why 1 has remained. And next, here 1, so that's why minus 1 take as common. When we took minus as common, plus change it into minus. Compulsory will get x minus, if these two factors equal, means same factors we will get, means x minus 1, x minus 1 take as common, and the remaining factor is 2x minus 1. So x minus 1 is equals to 0 and 2x minus 1 is equals to 0. Minus 1 send that side, plus 1. Okay, x is equals to 1. And 2x is equals to minus 1 send that side, plus 1. And x is equals to into 2 send that side, divided by 2, 1 by 2. And 1 and 1 by 2 are other two zeros of p of x. So students, your task, today's task is if 1 and minus 3 are zeros of x to the power of 4 plus 5x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 6, then find the other two zeros. Thank you.